So much, Ma'am Jessica and Sir Joshua. Up next, to present an overview of this year's recognitions, may we invite Dr. Jocelyn E. Legaspi, Provincial Health Officer 1.
Good afternoon to each and everyone. So, to our officials, our dedicated healthcare workers, and honored guests, mayatan kami nga ada kayo amin tanda. Okay, so the Shayaw or Stellar Health Achievement Year's Awards is the premier recognition program of the provincial government of Benguet. Shayaw is a crucial platform for showcasing successful health practices across the municipalities. Its core purpose is to formally honor the unwavering spirit of service, dedication, and innovative excellence demonstrated by healthcare professionals, institutions, and partner organizations who are tirelessly working towards the provincial vision of a healthier Benguet. By highlighting these achievements, the awards not only celebrate those who excel, but also set benchmarks for quality and accessible health service delivery for the entire populace. So the selection process involves through evaluation, validation of accomplishments, and a predefined criteria including efficiency, service quality, and measurable program achievements and consensus from the evaluation committee to ensure fairness and accuracy. So these awards are integral to the province's progress towards its vision, Benguet, a heaven of sustainable communities with a mission to ensure improvement of quality of life in Benguet. By publicly celebrating milestones, the awards aims to inspire the entire healthcare community to uphold the highest standards of service. Tapno ko pinpintasan tayo pa, iti serbisyo tayo, iti kakailyan tayo, ito'y Benguet, kan iti neighboring provinces. So, it will ultimately benefiting every resident of Benguet and, of course, sa CAR. So let us continue to support and be inspired by the dedication of these health heroes, ensuring a healthier Benguet for all. So we say, congratulations to everyone. You are all winners. You are all entitled to receive your awards. So thank you very much and good afternoon.
Thank you, Dr. Legaspi.